Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to log in to ICICI Bank online banking on PC. ICICI Bank is Indian multinational and financial services company. To log in to ICICI, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.icicibank.com. Then press on enter. With this, here you'll be taken to official website of ICICI. Now here you can see login option on the top right. Click on login option. Then here you can see you can log on to different types of internet banking like personal, NRI banking, corporate banking. I am going on with personal option. Now here to log in, first you need to enter your user ID on the given box. If you don't have your user ID, then you can click on Get User ID option. Then enter your password on the given box. If you have not set your password or if you have forgot your password, then you can click on Get Password option. With this, now here you can click on Start Inbox and choose the page where you want to be directed when you get logged into your account. I am choosing bank account. Now if you want your user ID to be saved, then click on Remember User ID box. Now after entering all your credentials, click on Login option. Similarly, you can also log in with your mobile number. To do that, click on Log in with mobile number option down the login box. To log in using the mobile number, first select your country code by clicking on the given box. After that, enter your registered mobile number on the given box. With this, now here you need to do security check. Enter the text you have been seeing on your given box. Make sure you enter the correct one. After that, click on Authenticate option. With this, you need to enter your ATM or debit card PIN number. After that, you need to click on the option of Get OTP. Then you need to enter OTP, that is one-time password that you have received on your text, and then click on the option of Login. With this, you'll be logged into your ICICI Bank net banking. This is how we can log into ICICI Bank online banking on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.